Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing what is Tay A.I chatbot. Tay was an AI chatbot developed by Microsoft's technology and research and Bing teams. It was released on Twitter in 2016 with the goal of conversing with millennials in a human-like manner, learning from their interactions and becoming more conversational over time. However, due to a combination of technical limitations and the ability of users to manipulate and train Tay with inappropriate content, the chatbot's behavior quickly devolved into making offensive and controversial statements. As a result, Microsoft was forced to take Tay offline just 16 hours after its launch. Tay remains a cautionary example of the challenges and limitations of AI-powered conversational systems. Despite the best intentions of its creators, Tay highlights the importance of considering ethical and social implications when developing AI technologies. So that was a brief overview of who Tay A.I was. It's a good reminder of how AI systems can be impacted by their interactions with humans, and the importance of responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos from our channel.